Hey guys, it's Carol. Today I have a foam build for you, and I still wanted to record this video even though I'm in Paris, France. Look, that's the Louvre right there. But yes, today we are going to go over how I made this cleaver for a commission, and I'm going to show you how I use a specific foam construction method that I call the uncrustable method, and you'll see why in just a sec. Without further ado, let's get into it. As I mentioned, the uncrustable method. If you've ever seen an uncrustable like sandwich from whatever company makes it, they cut off all the edges and seal the good stuff inside, right? So if you think about it this way, it's like having your sandwich of foam, but then for most foam props, you don't want it to be wiggly and wobbly, right? So you're gonna put a nice strong core inside. I typically use steel, and I use steel for this project. And where I got it from a recycled sign. So that's what, and it was free. So that's why I love these things. But yeah, so you wanna make sure that doesn't pop out at all and make sure that stays in place. And to make sure that you don't have any seams where the layers of foam come into connection. And the way you ensure that there's no seams where the foam comes into contact with each other, you cut off all the edges so that it's seamless and it looks like one piece. But there's a lot that goes into that. So let's show you that right now. Thank you all for watching this video all the way to the end. I know it's a bit messy still, but I'm going to work on it. And let me know if you like the voiceovers or if you like subtitles more, and I'll try to clean that up as well as clean up the actual background of my videos.